Tropical storm Carlotta is currently going through the eastern Pacific and is expected to become quite powerful in the next few days as it heads off towards the west. Based off DRHT analysis, Carlotta currently has winds of 70 miles per hour and a pressure of 990 millibars. It's moving west-northwest at 12 miles per hour. Here is Carlotta's current location at 17.4 degrees north and 112.1 degrees west. Is basically right there in the middle of the basin. Well, close enough. And it's not really expected to impact much of land. There's an island that's just north of it, but that island's... they should be relatively okay. The conditions aren't too bad. So, yeah. Here is the forecast. You can see in 12 hours we have it going up to a Category 1, possibly a little bit sooner. And intensifying in about 36 hours, becoming a Category 2 hurricane. Peaking in about 2 days, mid-range Category 2 at 105 miles per hour. And just gradually weakening from there as it heads into warm, colder waters. Here is the wind field. The wind field is very small right now, with the wind field being basically non-existent on the southeastern quadrant. The largest quadrant is the northeastern quadrant, which is still not too big. Carlotta overall is a very small storm. But basically the more you rotate counterclockwise, the smaller it gets. Here are what the different agencies are saying. We are going with 70 miles per hour. The NHC and NOAA are just behind at their most recent update. They went with 65 miles per hour. Force 13 is still lacking behind. They're at 50 miles an hour. I don't know if they've updated their streams yet. But last I checked, it was 50 miles per hour, which I checked about 5 minutes ago. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and go to the GFS for the satellite imagery. Here is Carlotta on the satellite imagery. As you can see, a brief eye was popping up for a second earlier today. I'll see if I can find that frame again. It was somewhere in there. Right there. Got a brief eye pop up, but it quickly disappeared under the cloud tops. But overall, the cloud tops are very, very high right now, roughly about minus 80 to minus 85 degrees. And it's got some clear convective bursts. You can see the eastern side of the storm has ballooned since the beginning. Like, here's the first frame, and there's the last frame. The eastern side of the storm has ballooned, with a bunch of convection blowing up. The storm is beginning to organize itself. Well, it's been doing that for a while now. But the storm will intensify.